We're on them. Black crappie. Here, guys. That is not what we had. Oh yeah, we go 10. Fish. Fish, it looks like here. Fat fish. Southern Crow. White Grubs. White chartreuse. Really good color out here. Fish. Like a chartreuse. Southern Crow color tail. Oh, that fish. Let's keep it on right here. Come on. Measure that fish. Let's get those. Oh yeah, he's over 10. Number 13, gotta get off that. Gotta get off 13. Over here. There's a fish right there. Sure. White chartreuse. Better measure this other fish here. Piece of short. That gets us off 13 though, this one here, bud. Just threw him back out there. He's been out there 30 seconds. He's staying down. Well, that's a crappie. Pretty good fish. White chartreuse again. Southern Crow White Grubs. Fish. Oh, come on, fish. Really much too high. It's a crappie made it right there. Got that monkey milk, chartreuse color. Fish. Oh, that fish. Right, crappie. Good fish. Right, crappie. Fish. Get out of the line, fish. Hey, put up with. One more, guys. There's number 40, mate. And they've got the rough out here too. That'll do it. That'll end my day. Ooh. She wanted that Jenko. Swallowed her. That's it for today. There's a 20 pack.